What's up with you guys, man? Your boy Trey Root back with another video, and today we gonna do something a little different than the normal mixing tutorials. Today we are gonna go about cleaning up tracks for radio play, and just if you want like a clean version of a song on streaming services, I'm gonna show you how to go about doing that so you guys can clean up your songs and get them played. So that way you don't have to worry about cursing or anything like that. So, sometimes you might not want to play music for your mom because you're cussing or your grandma or anything like that. So, going to go over those rules. But quick question for you guys, man. I've been kind of going through thought process of how I should continue to upload these videos. So I'm a video director. And I do music videos and whatnot. So I have a separate page for that, and then I got this page. But I'm thinking about combining the two, and then that way it'll make more sense for me to do the tutorials on the videos and photography and stuff like that, along with these tutorials too. So if you guys are watching and you interested, please leave feedback on if I should just keep this channel up and just do all my tutorial stuff on this one, or if I should merge the channels together. I kind of wanted to keep them separate just because I don't want, so it's certain people come for this content and then some people go to the other page for music videos. I kind of wanted to have those different lanes, but I feel like trying to focus on two different platforms, well, not platforms, but two different channels, it's kind of getting a little hectic for me. So I'll leave it to you guys to decide on how you feel about that. I will be updating my setup so you guys will be able to see me and see what I'm doing at the same time. I just got to get the right equipment to hook my camera up to the computer and whatnot. Then I'll do a tour about what camera I'm using and so forth like that, so that way we can get into it. But enough with all of that, man. Let's get right into this. So what we're gonna do is, I already have my track mixed. It's mixed out. Got the mastering plugins and stuff on the stereo output. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a new project, alternative. I'm gonna name this Unstoppable Clean Edit. Boom. And then it's going to say, do you want to make changes to the alternative Unstoppable, which is the one you got open right now? It's not the new one that's opening up. So I'm going to say don't save because I didn't change anything. So it's not anything I need to be saved. So don't save. Boom. And as you can see up here, it just changed the name to Unstoppable Clean Edit. Okay, so all we're going to worry about is the vocals on this one. We're not worried about what the beat sounds like or none of that. So I'm going to pick a section real quick. Let me see. Mute these, and let's listen to see if we hear any like cuss words and stuff. And then I'll go over a bunch of different choices you can make when it comes to cleaning up vocals. You can either just mute it all out, or you can do like special effects to make stuff pop like that. So let's go. As I think to myself, what could I be? How many weeks, how many months it's gonna take till I solidify my place? And I ain't trying to lose the race, running at my own pace. Foreign objects becoming obstacles. It's hard when you unstoppable. Everybody feel like stopping you to show that they be topping you, but shawty right here topping you like some ice cream. It ain't a dream. If I need sprinkles, them ultra light beams, man, you know that I keep going. Even though the work be slow, and slow motion better than no motion, keep going. Yeah, baby, keep going. I'm not sure if I wasn't listening right, but I don't think it's any curse words or anything explicit that we need to take out of that hook. I'm gonna listen to it one more time just to be sure though. As I think to myself, what could I be? How many weeks, how many months it's gonna take till I solidify my place? And I ain't trying to lose the race, running at my own pace. Foreign objects becoming obstacles. It's hard when you unstoppable. Everybody feel like stopping you To show that they be topping you, but shawty right here top. Nah, it's no cuss words in there. So I'm gonna go straight to the verse because I'm pretty sure the dubs and stuff for the hook don't got any cuss words in it. So I'm gonna go to the verses and see what we could do. Reading all the text messages from mama. Oops, sorry about that. Let me see. Let me turn my buffer size up. And the buffer size just means how fast your computer's processing audio. You usually want to have your buffer size very, very low, like anywhere around 128 when you're recording, so that way you don't have latency when you're recording. But when you're mixing, it's good to have it high. Reading all the text messages from all my old friends, congratulating all the achievements and past relationships they thought would stop the breathing. Like, look at you. You did it all. You never called, but fucking did it all. Okay. So we came across our first cuss word, which was you never called, but fucking did it all. Right there. So it's two ways you can go about deleting this. You can either use the scissor tool. Scissor tool, you literally just hold command, click, and then you delete. I like to use the marquee tool. Marquee tool is kind of like you do a selection. It's a little bit more efficient, I believe, in just because you can actually select what you want to take out. So you never called, but fucking did. So let me see. That might be Oliver right there. Did it all. They say you at. Did it all. You never called, but did it all. They did it all. You never called, but did it all. They you never called, but did it all. They okay, so now that we got that cleaned up, you can use the fade tool to kind of take the end part off, so that way it doesn't sound like you were bringing in another word, and then you could fade off the beginning of the chop too. You never called, but did it all. They say you at your pinnacle. Did it all. You never called, but did it all. I actually would take that butt off just because you never called. Did it all. Did it all. You never called. Did it all. They say you did it all. You never called. Did it all. They say nah, leave that butt on there. My fault, y'all. Did it all. You never called, but did it all. They say even like. Okay, that's one way you could do it, and then it's another way where you could do it where you can actually call, but fuck did it all. They call, but fuck did it all. Okay, so you hear that f coming out. It's actually a way you can slow down, which is a tape stop. You could tape stop it, and it'll sound really, really dope doing it like that, like you screwing the cuss word out. So it's what it sounds like right here. Did it all. You never called, but did it all. They say you real smooth, right? And you know, if it's gaps and stuff in between, you can use those echoes and reverbs to kind of fill in spaces and stuff. I think I'll do a couple of those edits as we get further along through the song too, so that way you guys can see how to do those. But let's keep going. You did it all. You never called, but did it all. They say you at your pinnacle. I'm in the mode. I think that it's a miracle that I'm still visible. They say that I be living life like I'm invincible. My nigga, I'm just living. My nigga, I'm just. Okay, just delete that. I'm just living life like I was spiritual. Shawty wanna sensible. I'm just living life like I was spiritual. Shawty wanna see your brother naked, one man invincible. I'm just living life like I was spiritual. Shawty wanna see your brother naked, one man band. Life like I'm invincible. I'm just living life like I was spiritual. Shawty wanna see your brother naked, one man band. No, we ain't kin, we just fornicate, no ring for the knock. She let me in, eating smoked ox. If he living life like I'm invincible. I'm just living life like I was spiritual. Shawty wanna see your brother naked, one man band. No, we ain't kin, we just fornicate, no ring for the knock. She let me in. Smoke docs if he get the drop, split dividends, bitches pay. Okay. And I literally just started this. It's also another way that you can get rid of cuss words too. You can actually reverse them. Now reversing them is a little bit more, and it's kind of give or take. You never really know if the reversing is going to be ideal, but I'll show you how to do it. Dividends, bitches petty. Okay, so we're gonna select this, and you want to double tap it, and it's gonna bring up the file down here. You guys can't see it. Why not? Oh, that's why. So this is the file. What is going on? There we go. Boom. Okay. So this is the file. You want to go to edit. Is reverse right here? No, it would be in functions. At least I thought it would. Okay, you gotta go to file. Go to file. Edit. Man, where is this? I haven't did it in so long, but I just thought about it. Okay, here you go. Reverse. And to get to this, you literally might have to go to your preferences, general, advanced. Let me pull this up. Advanced. And go to show advanced tools, and it'll pull up all of this that you need to see. So again, that's file. No, that's logic, preferences, advanced tools, show advanced tools, enable all. And then that way it'll pull up a bunch of different stuff that is not originally in logic. Like it won't show it unless you go and do this. But it gives you the ability to be able to do all of this. So did I press reverse on that? I don't think I did. Bitches petty now. Okay. So I did. So now we're gonna go to and press reverse. Thing about this is when you do this, I think it actually changed the actual file that was recorded into this. So kind of be careful with it. I'm not sure if that's exactly how it worked. But give or take, if it does, you can always re-reverse it and it'll fix it. But let's hear how this sound, and we'll decide if we're gonna keep it like this. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's see how it sounds without it though. I'm gonna mute it, which I'll just right click and then press mute on and off. Drop, split dividends. Petty now, they all end up hating you in the end. Nah, give or take. I'm gonna leave it in just because for the purposes of this tutorial. Okay, let me move this out of the way so I could get back into my editing bag. Let's see. Let's listen. Bitches ready now, they fucking on Rui. Go tell a friend, oh you. There we go. There go all the cuss words I was expecting. Let's see. Bitches ready now. Bitches ready now. They run, tell a friend. Ready now, they fucking on Rui. Ready now, they fucking. Fucking on Rui, go tell a friend. Ready now, they fucking on Rui, go tell a friend, oh you can't let me down. Yeah, just got to clean them chops up. You want everything to sound natural. You don't want it to sound like you came through and chopped it up. You want it to sound natural. So use those fades to your advantage when doing this. Yeah.
ready now, they f***ing on Rue, we go tell a friend. Oh, you can't let me down, what I'm telling my brother, stick to the plan. Ho, it's 7G, you ain't got no connection, you ain't my man. Like
Man, if you can't get your trackpad, man, these trackpads for these desktop computers are crazy. Like it's just so much easier to move around. I actually like using my laptop for mixing more than I did my desktop before I got this trackpad. That's just because of the trackpad though. Zooming in and out like this is 1,000 times easier than it is. And you kind of got more control when sliding your fingers up and down instead of using the mouse. And then I got a glass desk, so like using a mouse and a mouse pad just didn't work out for me. I probably needed to get me a mat. But back on topic. Take that hoe out. Take that hoe out. Yes, sir. Fade.
Stick to the plan with 7G, you ain't got no connection, you ain't my man. Like a paralyzed critic, a nigga can't give a.
I feel like I done missed so many niggas. Missed so many niggas in this mix. Just because I know I say it a lot.
Like a paralyzed good nigga can't give a.
Then I done deleted the wrong part, man. Just to show y'all, man, everybody mess up, man. Everybody mess up. I'm by no means a professional, though. I'm in the same boat as everybody else, man.
Like a paralyzed critic, a nigga can't give a hand, roll deep. Pull up if it's beef forever. You ain't my man. Like a paralyzed critic, can't give a hand, roll deep. Like a paralyzed critic, can't give a hand, roll deep. Pull up.
Like a paralyzed critic. Can't.
You ain't my man. Like a paralyzed critic. Can't give a hand, roll deep. Pull up if it's beef. Forever hold your peace, I hold the peace. Give you about 9 a chicken basket. Upchuck with laughter when I see what niggas.
So I'm actually going to use another tape stop right here just to show you guys the variations in between everything. So let's take it back a little bit.
I hold the peace, give you about 9 a chicken basket. Upchuck with laughter when I see niggas after. We slide like icy traffic if I.
A little too early. Let's see.
When I see when niggas after. We slide like icy traffic if I up it, leave you tragic. I see when niggas after. We slide like icy traffic. When I see when niggas after. We slide like icy traffic if I up it, leave you tragic.
Okay, it's a whole nother part to that song, but you know, just off of that alone, you guys can kind of see how you go up and clean up vocals and whatnot. It's real straightforward, man. One of those things that, you know, I push everybody to do if you want to try to go for radio play and everything is learn how to clean up your own music so that way you don't have to pay somebody else to do it. Unless you're recording with somebody else, you know, then, you know, by all means, you know, it's kind of just getting an understanding for everything. And man, I think that's about it, man. You guys like, subscribe, and comment below. Don't forget to let me know if you guys feel I should merge the channels or not. It'll really be helping me out because I want to know what you guys feel and what kind of traction it would bring to the channel or the other channel. So, you know, I'll check in with you guys next time, man. It's been all love. Hope everything's smooth and you guys keep recording and keep dropping that cranag. You dig? I'll holla at you.